I'm Alicia, I'm from Italy, Rome. I'm a painter and I'm traveling the world painting on big walls, but also on small things. Street art is really about sharing on the street and sharing on the web, because the web is also the new street. I think that Canon is really quality. The camera is important for me to document what I see, and most over to take inspiration of the color, the texture. When I'm traveling, I'm always taking inspiration from the place where I am. The possibility to take picture from high and from down, looking through the monitor, is really useful. The 19-point focus point, the possibility to really focus on what you need. The first inspiration was the shape of the wall. The wall colors were half orange and half gray, with some texture of old poster on it. I was very impressed by the detail. Photography is the beginning of creating something. So my first reaction is really incredible, the way the camera can touch the computer, the telephone, to have the result. The fact that it was very quick with the wireless to connect is really changing my life when I'm traveling. What I'm doing is going back and watching the picture. This way is much quicker. The wall usually have a story, a color, people living in front. It's very important when I'm painting the wall, because there is a point where when you're watching from real your wall, then you need to take a lot of distance to really understand if it's working or not. I'm using video, and autofocus was really quick. It gives the possibility to follow the people passing by. The screen was really useful to see the detail of the painting, for example, and to see if the color were right and if you got the texture. When I'm painting a wall, the last testimony of it is the photo, and this is really important for me. The high resolution gives me the possibility to print books of my works. The nice part of art, you always find a way to connect with people.